Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rao_KE. Today I'm going to make something quick for dinner. I'm just back from a hard day. And before I make my dinner, I would like to thank you guys for always stopping by to check onto my channel. Thank you for your likes, comments, and even for your subscriptions. I don't take it for granted. Kindly continue supporting my channel. Currently, I'm at 640 subscribers, and I'm soon gonna get somewhere there. So for today, I'm here. I'm going to make egg curry because that's what I want to make for dinner today. So let's do this together. I have some eggs boiling over here. Maybe I can just show them to you. My eggs are boiling here, and I'm going to use the eggs to make my egg curry. So the eggs are already boiled. All I need for my egg curry are just some, I maybe need to give it some few more minutes. Sorry, I used the wrong pan. I think I took the wrong cover for this. Okay. I only have 3 eggs there boiling. I give it more time. Meanwhile, I can prepare the onions and all the things that I need for my egg curry. So I need some onions, just a little bit of onion. You have to slice them very thinly. Actually, I think I should just cherry tomatoes. Now what I'm gonna do, I need this one with tomatoes. So the onions will go here. Are you able to see me? No. I have to move my camera. Sorry guys for that. So I'll put my onions here and the tomatoes. I'm using the cherry tomatoes. First I have to remove the fat part of the tomatoes. Okay, so I have the cherry tomatoes that I'm gonna use. So that's all I need for my egg curry. Maybe I need to put some salt in here. Oh, I need some oil, sorry, I forgot about that. Just a little bit of oil to help it mix up. Just a little bit of oil. So I'm going to mix this to kind of mince them. Oh, this place is too full. Maybe I need to create some space to remove this. So I need this. That's ready. So what I need, so I'm going to use this. for my egg curry. It's very sharp, I have to be careful with it. So actually I don't need these ones. I need the board because I need to cut my eggs. So the eggs are done. Just need to remove this. Because it's too hot, so I have to cool it first by putting some cold water in it. Meanwhile, this one can go in the pan. So I put some cold water to cool it down as I prepare this. So here I'm going to start preparing the curry itself. I need to use this pan and I need this. I already put some oil in the mixture, so I don't need to add any oil here. I'll only need to add some tomato paste. Just a little bit of tomato paste into this mixture. Actually finished. So this mixture, I just pour the mixture here. Just like that. So this one can mix well. Give it a stir and make sure that it blends well. I already put, I put some salt. This is why I need an apron. Sorry, I forgot to wear my apron. Not really forgetting, but I thought it was just something small, so I don't need really to. So prepare the sauce. The sauce has to be like that. I can add and some curry powder. Is this turmeric or curry? Whatever it is. So I add some of this. And then I give it a stir. You have to cook it on low heat because it's something to take slow. So now it's time to go back to my egg. I have to peel the eggs first. I told you I'm only using 3 eggs. It's just something light for dinner. Peel the eggs. Peel the eggs. So I've peeled the 3 eggs. Here they are. All I need to do is just to cut into like half. That's all. So that's how the eggs look like. Okay. So my sauce is actually ready. My curry sauce. It doesn't take a a lot of time to cook because the eggs are already boiled. Just making the others. So I put this ones one by one in the egg. I put the egg in the curry. Remember, you don't want to stir it a lot. Just do like that. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just a little bit of water to make sure that everything blends well. So that's it. Today I don't have the coconut milk, so I'm not gonna put coconut milk, but I can put some heavy cream, but of which I don't want to put. You can put heavy cream, you can put some kind of milk if you want, but I don't want to put anything. I just want it like that. So I'm going to cover it for about 3 minutes. I'll cover this for about 3 minutes, then it will be ready. Meanwhile, I need to, I already have some rice, so I'm going just to serve it with the rice. That's how it looks like. Sorry, you cannot see it. Egg curry for dinner. So my food is actually ready. Time to serve it. I'll show you how I serve it, okay? So my food is ready. So I have my rice. I'm gonna serve the egg. That's how it looks like. It's so hot. It's burning my hand actually. So that's my food. Egg curry and some rice. I hope you like it. That's egg curry and a simple dinner for me. So guys, that's what I'm gonna eat tonight for dinner. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Rao_KE. Kindly consider liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. and see you in the next video. Bye. Time to eat my food. So I'm going to eat